In this video we show how we repaired cracks running through the middle of the pool deck. First we pressure washed the deck and scrubbed it with TSP substitute. Then we covered the water with plastic, and now we are grinding off decking material on top of the cracks down to the concrete. Next we apply bonding agent to the areas we are going to repair. When it is dry, we pour decking material onto the deck and spread it evenly using a drywall knife. After letting it sit for a while, we use a wet sponge to smooth it out. We apply another coat of bonding agent, then apply skim coat of decking material using a rubber squeegee. We go around and use a putty knife to apply decking material to any places around the edges of the deck that rubber squeegee missed. We then scrape the deck to remove any sharp edges so that the sanding paper doesn't tear when we sand the deck. Next we sand the deck. We use the leaf blower to get rid of any dust. Then we apply another coat of bonding agent. Once it's dry, we apply a coat of texture. It is the same material we used for the crack repair in skim coat. It is called Excel Surfaces Cream Texture. After texturing, we knock down the texture, give it some time to dry, and then sand the deck again. We apply another coat of bonding agent, and after it dries, we paint the deck. We apply the first coat of paint, give it some time to dry, and then apply the second coat. Here's the final look of the pool deck. The paint is still drying and it will take about 48 hours before you can walk on it.